Hi, my name is Ethan Baduma, and today I'll be going over the Calvin cycle. The Calvin cycle is characterized by the fixation, or the incorporation of carbon into a molecule, specifically an organic molecule in this case. Carbon dioxide enters the Calvin cycle in the form of CO2, and leaves in the form of sugar. The product of the Calvin cycle is a 3-carbon sugar, called G3P, or glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate, which can then be used in later processes to form glucose. Phase 1 of the Calvin cycle is carbon fixation. So, as I said earlier, carbon fixation involves the incorporation of carbon dioxide, or the carbon, one at a time through the enzyme called Rubisco. And Rubisco is an enzyme that functions by grabbing the carbon dioxide and adding it to an organic molecule. And Rubisco is actually considered one of the most abundant proteins in the chloroplast, the most abundant protein in the chloroplast, and one of the most abundant proteins in the world. The carbon dioxide is then attached to a 5-carbon sugar that has been recycled from previous Calvin cycles, and it's called ribulose bisphosphate. Phase 2 of the Calvin cycle is reduction. So in this phase, the 6-carbon sugar that was formed by adding CO2 to ribulose bisphosphate is split in half to form 2,3-phosphoglycerate. A pair of electrons is then donated from NADPH, which came from the light reactions previously, and reduces 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate. The 1,3-bisphosphoglycerate actually is produced when a phosphate is added to the 3-phosphoglycerate from the first step. The phosphate is then lost, and then the resultant product is called G3P, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. 1 G3P is only outputted, and 5 G3P that are left are actually recycled. So you get 1 G3P in total per 3 carbon dioxide. In the last step, phase 3, is the recycle step, or the regeneration of RUBP, which is the organic molecule that accepts carbon dioxide. So the carbon skeletons of the 5 glyceraldehyde 3-phosphates that are formed after the reduction phase are converted into 3 RUBP, ribulose bisphosphate, through a complex series of reactions that reform these skeletons. And once these 3 ribulose bisphosphates are formed, they are ready to receive CO2 again and restart the reaction. I hope this video explained the Calvin cycle. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.